Hello, my name is Lucilester Barrio Orozco. During semester, Corporation University Secar of Caribe. Presentation, my routine. My routine of Tuesday. I get up at 5 a.m. always. That I take a shower. I take my clothes. And I usually has my cup of the coffee. After I go to work and 7 a.m. always. Very, very, very beautiful. My work. I take a lunch every day and 12 p.m. That I watch TV. My favorite watch TV. Also, every Tuesday, I take today children. I care of to scaring class. We usually return at 8 and 9. I go to bed a student. And I go to sleep at 7 p.m. usually. Bye bye. Thank you.